In this video, I will show how to do a variation problem. And first, let's read the question. And as we read it, we'll be performing the steps necessary to answer the question. Y varies directly with x. What does that mean? That means the formula that connects the two variables y and x is like this. That's what it means to say y varies directly with x. As x increases, y increases. When they say x equals 5 when y equals 30, that means if instead of x I put 5 and instead of y I put 30, I'll be able to set up and then solve an equation for k. So dividing both sides by 5 allows me to find k, which is 6. So when I find my k, now I have a working formula that I can use to relate x and y. Y equals 6x. So it's not just some unknown constant k, it's actually a number 6. And using this formula, now I should be able to answer any question. So the one that they ask in the problem is find x when y equals 42. So that means when y is 42, find x. And again, when you replace a variable with a number, what's left is just what we get as a result is just an equation in one variable for x. To solve it, we simply divide both sides by 6, and the answer is 7. So to find x when y equals 42, the answer is x equals 7.